Hey kids, thanks for joining me again today. Got to do an oil change today. Oh, and welcome to the new garage. Okay, Google, open the garage door. Okay, Google, close the garage door. You know, sometimes having all this space can be a little bit cumbersome because you just end up filling it up with more tools, right? This is something I'll definitely do and have been doing since I moved here. I always try to put these back in there so it doesn't hang when I do this. Just force it, I suppose. Alright, Shimoto drain plug. Let's get the oil pan first. Here we go. Have to admit my hood popping situation is a little bit suspect. Do like this though. You do have to heat the engine up a little bit though with these Moto drains, but that way the oil flows a little better, but just gotta watch for hot stuff. Yep, just dripping now. Close that up. Put your safety back on. Good to go. Now the stupid filter. Yeesh, Toyota. Yeah, next thing is getting this oil filter out. So you gotta kind of remove this cover in here, you know. I don't know why Toyota did this, but let's go ahead and do that. I wonder if there's a relocation kit. Maybe that's easier. That's really hard to see. Back in behind there. I always use the genuine Toyota oil filters to replace these. They're a lot cheaper and they're just as good as any other ones I've ever seen. So, all right. Rah, rah. Oh, that's tight. Usually it's not so bad. You know, it's a nice thing about having a bigger garage. You can kind of stretch out a little bit. Sometimes people get these from above. I do not see that happening. I swear I just put these on hand tight. Oh, come on, thing. I swear I never had this much trouble before. There. Good Lord. Now's when the oil starts leaking everywhere. Come back up. There. Good Lord. I hope whoever got these committed Harry after they designed it. Now maybe I didn't get too much everywhere. Yeah, here, see, it's already pouring on the floor. Fudge. Yeah. Lame list. Oh, one of the ground wire. Maybe they think it'd keep things from rusting or something. Well, let's get this other one on. Maybe that'll stop it a little bit. Don't forget to put a little oil. I mean, got a bunch all over for your garage. So might as well just use some of it. Put it on there. Make sure to cross-thread it thoroughly. Get it really tight so you can't get it off the next time you do this. Probably okay. Well, at least that stuff it leaking everywhere. Well, let's button this up here. Of course, now we gotta go fill it up. Alright, so found the filter here. Can't figure ETF, it says. But I wiped it down, no problem. So let's see how much of this is still down in there. I've got this, been using this Castrol GTX with Magnatech. I don't know. Seems to be okay. Oh God. Do I have a rag? I don't have a rag. This takes a little more than 5 quarts. This one I used a little bit of last time around. I just don't have to do this in the driveway anymore. We're in the apartment parking lot. Done that a few times. I think we'll call that empty. Grab a rag. And let's see where we're at here. Still use some more. Hey, right on the valve covers. Perfect. Hey. Perfect. Free zip tie. Alright, let's now see where we're at. Do one more dip. I think we're going to call that good. All right, so how about we back out of this garage and we take a look at everything we've got in here. And here it is. So as you can see, still kind of getting things together. I've got a television, some shelves I got to put together, which I think I'll do today. You know, got the oil changed in the truck, so that was the one thing that I really needed to get done. And I think now get these shelves up there and give you a little bit of the tour in the process. So, you know, it's nice having a two-car garage. I've got enough room, you know, I've got the camera set up over there. Got all this space now, parking out front, which isn't a big deal. Before I just had two spots, one in the garage and one in the driveway, and I don't have to sit with my back up against the truck and when I do tool reviews and tool hauls. And so, you know, it's super nice. I'm really excited about this. Got some new tools that I'll be doing some reviews on, and you know, let's go and look at a few of them right now. All right, so if we come over here, you can see one of the things I got is a little bit of metal storage over here next to the garbage cans. And so I've got this piece of bar here that we'll make some shelving brackets. So let's get those cut down and get started on it. Oh, I got an air compressor. A little too far. Not too bad though. Oh yeah, I got the drill press all together. Got a new motor for it, so that's kind of nice. All right, so this is another new tool, Swag Off-Road Portable Bandsaw Table. So yeah, that's my Harbor Freight bandsaw, portable bandsaw, and I got the little table here. I got it in the Vice one because I'm cheap. I'm actually going to probably build a little table here. So. Oh yeah, new welder. Not too bad. All right, now I gotta make another one. All right, we got those put together. Now I need to get a few things out of the way and I can put those shelves up. That's much better. Well, hope you enjoyed me kind of putting together this garage. Like what you saw here as far as getting everything together, getting the oil changed, and just kind of showing around a little bit. So here in the next couple weeks, I'll be shooting some more videos. I've got a couple of things that are on the table, and so I hope you enjoy those when they come out. So if you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Keep on wrenching.